Hello class, my name is David Thompson and I will be instructing this course. I would like to go over what you should expect for this course and how Blackboard is set up. So as you can see, I am in the Boise State login screen, or actually the logout screen. I'm going to sign in. So I'm going to choose Blackboard. I'm going to select our class, Summer 20 CS117 C++ for Engineers. Click this, and you will see the very thing at the top is Getting Started. I would review this whole section. It talks about special things that you need to know about. Where the videos, you can find the videos, where you can find source files that I have used in the videos, where to search for help on the web, and the faculty information. A little bit about me, and when we have a tutor, his information will be here. So then we have the calendar. This is your go-to spot for when things are due. Click calendar, and I'm just going to go to July here. Most homework is due Tuesdays and Thursdays. Actually, all the homework is due Tuesday and Thursday, and it's due at midnight. The programs are due on Friday. They're due on midnight. You have 6 programs due, so that's 1 per week. You have 4 quizzes. You can take the quiz anytime from 6 a.m. to 6 p.m. Mountain Time. And I have a due date of 6:40 p.m. That just means the last test will be done by that time. And then you could review your grade on the quiz after 6:40 p.m. And finally, we have the final. Again, you could take that anytime from 6 a.m. to 6 p.m. It is an hour and a half long. The weekly modules. Every week you will be watching videos. Please read this little section here. And then you have chapters due. That'll be in Zybooks. I'll talk about Zybooks after I go through Blackboard. Watch these videos. Okay? I augment the reading with videos. So certain things in the videos are on the test. Those things might or might not be covered in Zybooks. So you do want to watch the videos and read the book. But we have 7 weeks here. Seven weeks. Do not click into a week. This was a holdover from a previous class I taught. So this is information that is not needed for a class. You could find all the information for each week just by looking in this section. The assignments are listed here. We have 6 assignments, like I said, from July 3rd to August 7th. One assignment will be done using an IDE. In week 1, you will install an IDE on your computer, and you will run this Hello World program. Be sure you do exactly what this assignment says. I treat my program assignments as specifications. Therefore, if you do something different, you are not within the spec, and I will take points off for that. But then we have programs out of Zybooks. So the rest of the programs are due using Zybooks. Okay. Let's see what else we got here. Quizzes will show up here. They will be visible as soon as I have set them up to be visible. So as you can see, quiz 1 won't be available till July 10th at 6 a.m. Once again, quizzes are open from 6 a.m. to 6 p.m. and they're all on Friday. You will have 30 minutes to do each quiz. The final you can take from 6 a.m. to 6 p.m. and you have an hour and a half to complete the final. Let's see, what else do we have here? Final, your grades will be found here. These things you won't be able to see with the little X mark on them. And Blackboard help is just there for your help. So we start this course on June 29th. I make the course available early, so you might want to start using the course materials early and get a head start, because it is going to be a intensive course. We are doing 16 weeks in 7. So be sure you have allocated enough time for this course. Let me talk about zyBooks. Here's your zyBooks. You have to purchase zyBooks. I'll give you information on how to do that coming up. So when you have zyBooks, you'll have something like this. I have more than one class. So you click on your class, and then you have each section. Now we aren't doing all sections, but you would click on a section, and you have the reading, and in the reading you also have, let's open this up, you also have activities. Run through the activities. They're useful. Okay? Then we also have challenge activities. So part of your grade is working on the challenge activities and doing the reading. So be sure you do the reading. Then your assignments. Now, I am the instructor, so my screen is probably a little different than yours. But if you look at assignments, hopefully you have a little section called assignments. Here's our assignments due throughout the semester, or the 7 weeks. Okay, we have short assignments due Tuesday and Thursday, and the one weekly assignment is due on Friday at 11:59. You will find all the assignments here and the due dates. So that is the summary of our class. If you have any questions, please talk to the tutor or myself.